So today we'll be doing some very basic things, but they're very critical. What we'll be doing is to show you how we determine the lines and the shaded region. So what we're looking for is actually the feasible region. As I say, with linear programming is a variety of answers, but we normally take the endpoints, and it normally comes from the feasible region, and the feasible region is where all three lines meet. Not necessarily meet, but where the space where all three intersect, or the space bounded by all three. That is a correct term. Alright, so let's go. So the first one says x plus y is less than or equal to 5. Now we can draw, what we have to do is just basically draw this line right here. But in order to do that, let us see how we calculate it. So basically what we need, let's label this the x-axis. Always label the axis down, guys. So this is the y run from up to down, right? Alright. So one of the most important thing is to the x-axis. This is the line y equals 0, and the y-axis is the line x equals 0. So what we need to find out where the line is gonna cut on the x-axis and where it cuts on the y-axis. And to find out that, we just equate. So for the first one, let us say we have x plus y is equal to 5. We just to find the value of x, we just equate y to 0, right? So x would be equal to 5. So on the x-axis, we know that it's right here. Alright, let us determine the y-axis now. That is x plus y equal 5. We equate x to 0 this time. So 0 plus y is equal to 5. So therefore, y is equal to 5. So both of them is 5, right? So this, what we're gonna do is basically draw a line from, we're gonna draw the equation of the line, right? So let's go, just draw it out. I just want it to look a little bit neatish. I don't want to crown a line today. You know that vibe, so. Let me just come so now. Alright, fairly neat. So that's the line x plus y is equal to 5. Alright, so now we need to determine the other two. And the next one said x is greater than or equal to 1. Now, this is the x-axis. So x greater than or equal to 1. First we find 1 on the x-axis, which is right here. So the greater will go to the right, right? Because to the right of 1, we have 2, and 2 is greater than 1. So it's basically going that direction. So let us proceed to draw this line. Draw it exactly on the 1. Now see guys, I have my tools here now. I'm gonna joke when it comes to maths. I'm using different color to just show you what's happening. Alright, so there we go. So now we need to draw the line y is less than or equal to 2. That should be y greater than 2. Alright, let's go. So we join the line. So basically draw the line. This is less than. So the feasible region would be right here. Alright, let me just put each one of them separately so you guys can get. The first one was x plus y less than or equal to 5. So for the black one, it's the portion that is less than would be this part, right? This would be greater than. So for this line, the less than portion is all of this below the line, right? So let us do that. Remember, you know, it's color coded. Alright, for y, x greater than 1 would be to the right. So to the right of the blue line, all of this right here. X is greater than 1, right? And for y less than or equal to 2. Now this is the line, x equal 2, so less than would be below, because see, 2, 1 is less. So all of this would be below. This also over here would be below. But if you notice, the feasible region would be this portion right here. Let me just mark it with the black marker. This point where the lines meet. So we have right here, right here, right here, and right here. So this is the feasible region. And normally we are given a profit. So what we will do is basically take these coordinates. Let's just call this point A, point B, point C, and point D. Right? All three lines is in satisfy this. See it? Blue, black, red, all in there, right? So that is the feasible region. So this is where the solution will come from. And we take this point, so A is at point 1, 2. So A is at point 1, 2. B is at point 3, 1. And C, let's just see where C is. Remember, this is a line, y equals 0. So this is 1, 0. The x-axis. Similarly, this would be 5, 0. What CSEC love to do is to give you like the profit. So what you will be doing is to plug in all these values in the profit, and the one that gives you the highest value would be the optimum, or you understand? The one that gives you the maximum value. So you guys will see me in another upcoming video. I just wanted to identify the feasible region. And guys, if you notice, I did not consider over here. Why? Because it's above the red line. It must be below the red line. Alright? So I'll see you guys. And I couldn't consider over here because the blue line, see it? It's the blue line is so I did not consider over here either. All three lines, I hope I color code it right, you know. All three colors must be in the region for you to consider the feasible region. It's where all three lines meet, or the portion, right? So there we have the black coming down because it's from that line. So black would fall in this region also. Right? And we have the blue going so. And we already have established that the red is coming. The red will be over here, so you know. The red will be over here too. But we don't consider it because this is outside the zone of the black, if you notice. I hope this video helped you guys, and I will see you in the next video. Guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.